Hey, what's up guys? Today I am going to make for you this beautiful arugula salad. It's going to have corn and tomatoes and like fresh basil on it. It's going to be super delicious, so let's rock it out. Alright, so I'm starting off here with my shallot and just going to cut the end off like so. Cut it in half. I don't need this whole shallot. Look how big it is. Look how big! Right? Like that. It's a big one. Alright, I'm going to cut him this way. Like that. Like this, right? Cut it up. We're just gonna make like a simple vinaigrette here. So I have my shallot. Going to put this into my olive oil, which I have right here. Bam. Olive oil. Probably should have put my lemon juice in first, but I didn't. Got my lemon juice. It's a lot. I'm gonna do this. Like, you see what I'm doing? I'm dripping it onto my cutting board unintentionally. There it goes. There it goes. We're all good. It's all good. It's all good. That's not how that song goes. Alright. Getting it in there. It's gorgeous. Man, the emulsion. Did you see that? It's when it comes together. Alright. There's my emulsion. Okay, so I'm going to set this over to the side and then we are going to continue with my basil leaves. So I'm just going to take a few of these and stack them together like so. Roll them up. Alright, chop them up. Alright, that's going into the mixture there. My cutting board is a little sloppy. Meow. Should we put more basil? I think so. I'm gonna do like 3 more leaves. Alright, chop them up. I have my shallots and my basil, beautiful lemon vinaigrette. I'm gonna put some arugula in it. It's in a package, it's already washed. We hope. You gotta trust them on that, right? Trusting that that's already washed. I put that much and a half, right? This is 1 Roma tomato out of Maw Maw's garden, right? Okay, like 1 Roma tomato. Get the seeds out, they're nasty. I don't like them. This is 2 fresh ears of corn, which I cut off. Alright, just go ahead and put that right on top. It's gorgeous. Go ahead and toss your salad. Let's plate it up. While I love this as a little lunch salad, I think it would be amazing with some grilled shrimp, grilled chicken, something like that. Hey, I hope that you loved this video. I know that I had a great time making it. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking, everyone.
BackBitesForever.com